Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Jasmy, we are trading approximately at 0.004371. 24-hour volume, we're up 31%, and market cap, we're down 5.49%. So heading over to our immediate short term here for 1 hour, there is a few trend signals that I want to show you, and most importantly here, a correction. So in yesterday's video, we were going over the consolidation, seeing the price coming down to an area of support, to resistance. We did talk about the weakness of this peak in yesterday's video. If it didn't hit the resistance level, it was most likely going to come down and retest that support level itself. And we can see already it did break down to this level. So one of the things that we do see in the chart itself, we're going to backdate it because we can see our 50 moving average and our 100 moving average crossing. And this essentially, I'm just going to move it over here. This essentially here where we see the 200 or the 100 and then the 20 moving average cross below the 100 moving average is essentially called a death cross. And that does give us a hint or a signal that it is going to be changed in the direction. In this case, the momentum of it being a bear momentum. So taking a look going into today, we do see a strong trend over into the downward side. If we measure from our 20 moving average all the way down to the current price, we're at least 3% lower from that gap in between. And that's essentially going to be a trend reversal if we do close above that 20 moving average. And I did talk about that yesterday. If we see multiple candlesticks close above the 20 MA, we were going to see this Bollinger Band squeeze into a breakout into an uptrend. But because we saw that weakness in this peak, instead of creating the same high as the previous peak, we saw it completely crumble. Another thing here where we see the momentum strength is it broke down through this ascending wedge here. So this line here essentially was the resistance line. Here we had the additional support line, and we see this red candlestick here followed after by a spinning top candlestick, essentially breaking through that momentum. So essentially where we're going to see today is going to see a high or a retest of this resistance level at 78% of our fib at 4374. We do see a few factors that could potentially get us that correction. So we've came down to the bottom here. We can see that the RSI itself is considered to be oversold. We see the K line itself increasing cross above our D line, which initiates that buy opportunity. And if we line that up perfectly here with the MACD line, we can see the MACD line itself is getting lighter in the color. So it could possibly mean that it's losing that momentum onto the upside. So a retest of the 78% of our fib. If we do see multiple candlesticks close above the 78% fib, the next retracement level here that we see is the 61%. But again, keep in mind in this current downtrend, we may see a correction on the upside, either at 78% or 61%, and then continue down and retest this area of support. So that's my quick video here for Jasmy. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and comment down below, but I'll see you next time. Bye.